Hi, my name is Alex, and today we're going to be going over how to use breakpoints within Bizweaver, Third Wave's process automation and integration software. Breakpoints are a great way to stop at a specific step while testing your workflow. So if I wanted to stop at this read order step, I would be able to right click on this and hit set breakpoint, and it will add the indicator that when we're testing, it will stop here and not proceed any further until a user chooses to. So you can enter the test mode, which in this case, I'll use our automatic run. It's going to enter that test mode. We're going to click it again, and it's going to stop here at this read order step. So we can either review the past steps or then drop out of the test mode and no longer continue going on. Now you can add breakpoints while you are in test mode, and they will stick while testing. So you can add multiple breakpoints later on during the test, so you don't have to worry about dropping in and out of test mode to add them. To remove a breakpoint, it is pretty simple. You either right click on the step that you wanted to remove that breakpoint from and select remove breakpoint, or you can enter the list mode where you can either add or remove those breakpoints in this column breakpoint, where you just select the radio button where you'd want to add that breakpoint or remove it. Now you can add them to every step in your workflow. And if you say had all these selected, but you did not want to use them in the next test run, you can click on the three dots here, and it will open a menu where you can disable your breakpoints, enable your breakpoints, or just remove all those breakpoints. I hope this video helped you in utilizing breakpoints in your next test run with Bizweaver. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, and have a wonderful day.